Welcoming you all. Friends, in today's video we are going to discuss about the updated salary structure of the White Hat Junior and their timing slots. Previously I have already made one video regarding this, but the policies has changed, so I thought let me share all these things with you also, because lots of comments are coming from your side. What is the salary structure and what is the timings for that, and actually the White Hat Junior is keep updating themselves for the timings and their salary slots. So whatever I am discussing, it is for the today, and it may be changed tomorrow. So just take it in easy way. It keep updating, but I think it will be for the next at least 2-3 months. So let me share with all these things with you. So if I'll talk about your timing slots, then I guess previous one was you can work between the 4 p.m. to 9 p.m. In day shift, and for the Saturday Sunday it was 8 or 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. But now they have changed their timings. Now you can work here from the 12 p.m. to 9 p.m. from the Monday to Friday. And if you want to do the night shift, then the working hours will be from the 9:30 p.m. to morning 8:30 a.m. And Saturday and Sunday they are you can work on the 24 hours window. It's open for all. Okay, so this is the timing structure for the White Hat Junior. Now if we'll come to the salary, as I said to you before only, yes, they can give 1 lakh to you, but it totally depends upon the hours you are dedicating here, how many hours and in which month you are working right now. Okay, so let me discuss it one by one, and I am making it in a easy way. Still also, if you will having any query, so do ask to me. I will try to explain it. So let me explain first to all of you. See, if you are in a first month, if you are recently joined here, and if you will complete a 120 slots, I am talking about the per month. Okay, and slots means it's hours. Okay, so if you will complete the 120 hours in a first month, you will get a 10,000 rupees. If you will complete a 160 hours, you will get 17,500 rupees. If you will complete 200 slots, then you will get 25,000 rupees. If you will complete 240 slots, you will get 35,000 in a first month. Now, if I talk it on a daily basis, how many hours you need to give here? So, if you want to complete a 120 hour slot, you need to give 4 hours. If you need to complete a 160 hour, so you need to give at least 5 hours. And if you need to complete the 200 hour slot, then you need to complete a 6 hours on a daily basis. And if you want to complete the 240 slots, you need to give 7 hours per day. Okay, so that is for the first month. Now if I'll come to the second month, if you are in a second month, you will be earn, if you will complete 120 hours, you can earn up to 20,000. If you will complete 160 slots, you will earn 27,500. If you will give 200 slots, then you will get 35,000 rupees. And if you will complete 240 slots, then you will get 45,000. Okay, and if you are in the third month or 3+ month, then if you will complete 120 slots, you will get 25,000. If you will complete 160 slots, you will get 32,500 rupees. If you will complete 200 slots, you will get 40,000. And if you will complete 240 slots, you will get 50,000 rupees. So in this way, you can earn up to 50,000 if you will work in a day shift. And if you want to work in a night shift and you want to teach to the students of the US, then the timing is, as I said to you, it is from the 9:30 a.m. to morning 8:30 p.m. and maybe they are paying more for them. As for the Indian students, we are getting I guess 325 rupees, right? 325 rupees per hour, and for the US students we are getting 425 something. So in this way you can earn more there. And yes, and if you want to teach to the US students, you need to complete 15 slots per week in addition with the 120 slots of the Indian students. Means you need to teach 120 hours for the Indian student and plus 15 hours to the US students. Then only you can earn up to that level, that amount. So that is for the salary structure. And some points I just think it's unfavorable for the teachers. See, if you are a homemaker or if you are a mother, then it is quite difficult for us to give that much time. Yes, you can earn the money, but it's quite difficult. As in my case, now if I just want to make this video, I can't give the 1 hour to it. See, as my child is playing here only and I'm making the video, so I can't give that 6 to 4 hours continuously. So if you are an unmarried person and you can give the time here, then you can absolutely earn here. But according to me, it's just my point of view. If you are having the child 1 or 2, and then it is quite difficult for us to give that much time as per their timings. But as from the computer background, we all people know that if you will work in the IT sectors in MNCs, we need to give at least 8 to 10 hours on a daily basis to get 40 to 50,000, right? In the same manner, if you will work on a white hat junior and you will dedicate here 7 to 8 hours, then you are also eligible to get that much money here also. So and again one more thing I just want to discuss with you all. What is the where is we can get the holidays here? So no, the holiday is totally depend upon you. If you want to cancel or if you want to take the holiday, you need to give the prior information before the 21 days to them. I am not going to attend the classes on that particular day, and you have to inform before the 21 days. And I think 6 classes you can cancel, 6 classes, not more than that. If you will cancel more than 6 classes, you will get a penalty, I guess of 550 rupees, right? And yes, one more thing. If you will cancel any paid class, you have if you want to cancel any paid class, you need to inform them before 21 days. And if you need to cancel any trial class, you need to inform them before 7 days. And you can cancel at least 6 classes, not more than that. If you will cancel more than that, you will get penalty there of rupees 550. And for the every trial class, they are paying rupees 50. And for the every paid class, the amount may be vary, means for the first to 5 I think 325 something, for the 5 to 10 they are giving 600 something, and for the 10 to next 11 they are giving 1000, I guess. So it is totally depend the salary, and their pay is continuously flexible. We can't say ki it is the fixed amount that you can earn from here. It's totally depend upon how many hours we dedicate here. Okay. So that is all about the salary structure and updated timings. Now I just want to convey one message to the White Hat Junior platform. Yes, they are giving the fabulous platform to teachers to work here, but they also need to do some favor for the teachers also, as we are the human beings, not the robotics. We can't work continuously that much time, as they are favoring more for the homemakers or for those women who have took a break in their career and they want to restart it. But for the restart, they also have to understood this thing. Yes, we can't give that much time, and they just have to give some favor for us. So I just convey to them ki make some restrictions lightly, so that we can work here as a mother also. And that's it about this whole structure. If you are still having any query related to that, please do ask. And one more thing I just want to convey from this, most of the people are asking to me, if I am from the non-coding background, can I join here? See, in their advertisement they are saying if you are a graduate, you can apply here. But when you are giving the PDF, in that PDF you have to explain the coding there. So it is always better if you are having a little bit knowledge about the coding. I have already said to you if you are from that computer background, the selection chances are increased there. So if you are from the non-coding background, still also you can teach here, but it is always better to have the coding background. In my case, one of our subscriber who is from the non-coding background, I don't remember her name, and she is having a excellent communication skill, and she got selected and she is doing the work here. So it is not like that if you are from the non-coding background, you cannot earn here or you cannot join here. Yes, you can join here, but it is always better to have the knowledge of computer. And still I am saying, many negative comments are coming on my video ki I am telling lie, ki they are not selecting to the non-coders. And see, I just want to convey the only positiveness from my videos. If you are from the non-computer background, still also I'll say to you ki start learning it. It's everybody's cup of tea. Everybody can learn learn the coding. It doesn't require any rocket science is not there, right? You can learn it at any time, at any age. So start learning yourself, start updating yourself. And if you are non computer background, so give 1 month to yourself. Learn the language of HTML, Scratch and JavaScript, Python. At least just go through the basics. If you are having a good communication skill, you can work here. And for the mothers like me who cannot give the time here, as in my case I can't give that much time, so I left it. So if you are a mother and you can give that much time, just go ahead and do the work. It's not like that hectic or something like that. It totally depends upon our intention, our mentality, in what point of view we get it. Okay, so that's it about the today's video. I hope this video find useful to you, and this is Manorama signing out for now. We'll get in touch in the next video.